review is of the YF-23. It's a 1/44 scale model by Trumpeter, and this model is of the prototype. The plane never went into production. It was competing against the YF-22, and that one eventually became the F-22. Looks like we have two main sprues here. We've got some recessed panel lines. We've got some landing gear, bay doors. Here's our cockpit and ejection seat. Probably some exhausts or air intakes. We've got our tail planes. It was a V-tail, and reasonable level of molding. Here is our canopy. We also have some decals, which are reasonably well printed, and then our instructions. So, not a lot of detail because there are not a lot of parts. So assembly. Here's our paint guide, and here are the instructions. It's a very simple plane. There are the paint colors and the paint guide, as well as the decal placement. So all in all, simple little plane, but Trumpeter quality